are going to love 2021 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, four-wheel drive, tow hitch, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, fog lamps. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.